Make a rewind. Back to a time when Ricky and James was a child. I tell you about to get a youth where used to rough life. No bed them off to sleep on tile. Yeah, this is a story about Ricky and James. Go to said place but them life was the same. Ricky was the one who get the chance to take a plane, while James in the ghetto still a suffer with the pain. Ricky said no worry, I'm a dog same way. I ain't in them rich, me take you out Thailand. My brother for life, you know what that can't change. One last year before them part ways. Time fly, make we skip past 3 years. Ricky start chop and sell coat nice dates. I breath every day, be a post on page. Our world, tell some pussy self a pay. But anyway, James life still set away. Life a get harder, bills won't pay. So James call Ricky for hope him get saved. But Ricky nah answer, phone number change. The pressure build, James mind start stray. And for make things worse, him have a youth on the way. And for make things work, no time can waste. Cause the baby due date at the 25th of May. Dark days, James dark turn snake. And that's how the friendship turn ache. James start made some mean for lost ways. James get dark, he never pay for be seen. Start make two link with the Danny night place. Rifle and key, robbery every day. How you for tell James crime not pay? Liar to the Danny now, grave or jail. Any pussy this full in my whole like crate. You get out like crate, head up me like it. And that a code better know your blood clot place. Couple months after, make a fast forward. Ricky start pre-him, one fly back a yard. Ricky get some intel, so the feds are pre-mad. So I two things, if him don't cut then I remand. So as you know, Ricky flying without a clue, I walk on a nice scheme. Lock in, days now nobody can see him. Till we later when him go drop you on the stream. And one day Ricky I drive just pan some angle thing. And that's how James end up sighting him. Run go accident if you remember the boy was styling thing. Reaching at the place and the evil boy we are Heineken. James say what for go on, me for file the pin. Dan say him not for worry, him don't never style for him. Him have to run some money, that are the price for live. And if him ever tell me no, I have a right for sing. Yeah, but would that be a choice? Tell me how wrong I right. Ricky say Lord James cause things get nice. Now James I pray Ricky life. But would that be a choice? How wrong, how right. Every story of two sides. I remember when couple days pass and it dance see him. And him say why go a long time no see my G. Them end up a reason and the dance show him a pre. Say them a gonna need money for buy some machine. Ricky say no, different in my pre. I can't help it and say what the fuck you mean. Boy me wonder if you know how way I like his scheme. Better pinch yourself because you must in a dream. Ricky say him nah give him a thing. Happy team don't know where so reach him. Live in a glass house and a stone and fling. End up in a situation him can't win. No defense, Ricky now have thugs. Plus, furthermore, Ricky now have guns. So, oh, you think Ricky end up turned to the dog him poor with friend him young. And that's how James end up set him up. Shot in a chest, Ricky not getting up. James said, dog, oh, you for sell me out. I blood alone, words can't come out of Ricky mouth. Before you take your last bet, Ricky, tell me what you want for confess. Find out I did that fuck my girl before you left. And been a smiling on my face a long time, you should have dead. Ricky, that cause me pain and stress. I ain't not done this, I ain't not here, not yet. They out of my thing cause my child and a mine. Me find out after the DNA test. Me treat it like my blood, like my flesh. Can't believe what this me really get. Hope God forgive me for left your picnic fatherless. And if not, pussy me see you in a hell. Ricky, yeah, young but him traumatized. The only thing where him a see a red and blue light. Reach the hospital doctors I try to save a life. But a revenge alone they pour Ricky mind. I pray oh him a go kill no matter where they mind. But them have some news where Ricky not go like. The doctor say Ricky, the shot crack your spine. Ricky ask him what that mean, him say you're paralyzed.
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Shali, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelt.
No, a rebellion, you know. I mean, I say I want to have an epic, you know. Welcome to the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.